Fern invests £5,600 in a savings account. She gets 2% per annum compound interest. After n years, Fern has £6,061.62 in her account. Work out the value of n. So 2% as compound interest, we were thinking about 102%. We divide that by 100, which gives us 1.02. So this is my multiplier. So I start with 5600 multiplied by the multiplier, and then I'm looking at a number of years. Don't know what that is yet. 6061.62. So what I'm going to do is use my calculator. I'm going to put this in with a guess at the number of years. I'm going to start by thinking maybe n equals 3. And so I need my calculator to work that out. I use this. So this is what I've put into my calculator. I use this button here, and I've started with, what did it? N equals 3. Yeah, n equals 3. So I'm going to put a 3 up here. I've used this button X with the square. Now I've got 5942. I'm not there yet. So I'm going to try n equals 4 this time, because I'm getting close to what I need it to be. 6,000. It's not there yet, though. So I'm going to try 4. There we go. That's the one. So n equals 4. So we're looking at, so this was 6061.6. This is 4 years. Work out the value of n. So n equals 4.